This will be the elevator here at JCPenney, Avenue Mall, Jacksonville, Florida.
How you doing?
Fine, how are you?
Good.
That's not even retro, bro. You got a vendor here, right? This thing is gonna be busy because the up escalator is broken.
I'm gonna go look at some shoes while you're filming this.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
You're cold, I'm good.
That was quick.
Let's go to 2.
Those goes kind of fast. You tried to.
Here you go. Go ahead.
Okay, thank you.
I'm just filming this, that's all. 1. This thing is gonna be busy. The floor indicator partly works. So this is the better vector, the 3. Let's go up to 2. JCPenney, really? This is an okay elevator. The ceiling. Wow. Very rude of you, elevator. Yes, we're going down. There we go. Open the door. That tram never gets old. Capacity of 3,500. Vector. Montgomery. I just love how they put the plastic cover on that thing. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Montgomery Vector. There goes the elevator. And I guess that is going to be it for me.